Do you carry a lot of tension in your jawline and also your neck, and maybe even start to stress and you end up with those fine lines and wrinkles on the forehead, on the face? Well, in today's video, we're going to do a really great, natural, very gentle facial massage to really reset ourselves for a good night's sleep. So then we wake up nice and refreshed and not so puffy and dewy-eyed and tired. I'm Ali, and a warm welcome to Kinship Skin. So first things first, obviously you want to start off with clean skin and clean fingers. Now I'm using my facial oil here, my Kinship facial oil, which is organic. So if you can get something really natural, the more organic the better, because whatever you apply to your skin in the evening is going to penetrate even deeper and further. And so you want something with really as nice as you can, rather than anything too synthetic. So just applying just a couple of drops onto the fingers. And I'm sitting down while I'm doing this. If you like, you can stand up, if maybe look in a mirror. And we just want to make sure our shoulders are nice and relaxed, and we're holding no tension within the face and the neck area, and you're nice and in alignment, not too hunched over. This way you're getting maximum blood flow to the neck and the head area. So we're just applying a little bit of the facial oil all around the face and not forgetting the neck. Now, before we start, we want to open up literally the lymph. So first of all, we're starting where our collarbone is, just above. We've got some indentations, and we're just going to give those a few gentle presses. And then either side of the ears, just taking a finger, one hand at a time, in a V shape, just gliding down the front of the ear and behind, and then on the other side. And then just down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone, just opening again everything up. And then taking our hands onto our shoulders, let's just do a very gentle shoulder roll, releasing any tension within the shoulders and the neck, going backwards and then just forwards. And then I always like to go back a couple of times, because then our shoulders are reset in position, so we're then again not hunching over. So starting from the neck, taking our hands, let's just very gently, in very light motion, work in an upwards motion from the collarbone towards the ears. And working slowly all along. And if you like, you can take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth, again helping with any tension within the face. And then placing our fingers now under our chin, fingers above, almost as a hook. Let's just gently glide all the way along the jawline. Again, we have plenty of lymph nodes here. So just moving all the day's toxins and waste from under the chin and the jawline towards the ears. And then lifting up and across, lower parts of the face. We don't want to be stimulating the face, we just want to a really lovely, gentle massage. Not forgetting above the lips as well. And in an outwards motion, under the cheekbones, towards the ears. Again, you don't need to go too heavy-handed. This will also help with any of those fine lines and wrinkles. What we're doing here, we're moving toxins and waste within the lymph, which is very close to the surface of the skin. Now, when it comes to the eye area, I like to just place my fingers between the eyes and just gently glide where the bone is under the eye towards the temples here. This will also help with those potential puffiness under the eyes as well. Again, taking nice, gentle, deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth, calming down the nervous system. And then just gently gliding upwards motion from the nose towards the hairline, along the forehead. And we're working vertically, so working against any of those horizontal fine lines and wrinkles on the forehead. So this is a very nice, gentle massage, just a nice reset for the morning. And then placing our hands onto our forehead, just gently gliding now towards the temples. And then taking our hands where our temples are, let's just give this a nice, gentle massage. Round circular motions one way, and then the other. Great, potentially, except if you have tension headaches or if you suffer with migraines, this will also help. And then also between the eyes here, just a really nice, gentle, round circular motion one way, and then the other. And then just again, just work it out just above the eyebrows, where we tend to sometimes crease our eyebrows, so you end up with those 11s, just smoothing everything out. And then just again, just moving everything along towards the ears, outwards and slightly upwards motion. And then coming to the front of the ear, we're just gently gliding with the fingers, front of the ear and then behind the ear. I always want to swallow when I'm doing this. You literally feel things moving along. And then just coming with our fingers, just massage now, bottom of the ear, and then just work all the way along, nice and slowly, round circular motions. And if you do have a little extra point, which is a little bit tender, just give it a light massage and massage that out, all the tension of the day. And then with one hand at a time, once the fingers are touching, just glide down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone and on the other side. And then I always like to finish off with the all-important lymphatic drainage release. So we're releasing the toxins and waste, ready for our good night's sleep. So from the chin all the way down, where our collarbone is just above, we've got some indentations. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste into the body, ready for elimination. So now taking our fingers, let's just rub them together, just get some energy going, some heat within the fingers here and the palms. And then just gently place onto the head, onto the face, and also the eyes. Let's just take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And one last time. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And then open your eyes slowly, and then just very gently move the hands away. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it nice and relaxing. I'd highly recommend it in the evening, just to reset everything, calm down the nervous system. Plus we've applied a really great oil, so we're all ready for the evening. And please consider subscribing, liking and sharing and commenting. Please tell me where you're from and if there's any other facial techniques you'd love me to share with you. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, bye.